As we go further, the greenery started getting thicker and scarier. After a while, we reached the downhill section and the rain started to get a bit stronger. It became too dangerous that some of us cut the trip and went back with the kids. We are already halfway there. The journey continues, and the tour guide can no longer come with us, but we were handed over to the other guide. The trail was getting steeper and more dangerous, but we need to push through. Sayang naman if aatras pa kami.
Ano ba yan? Dapat kanina naglalakad.
At siya naman ang Disney princess na si Kyla. Parang gusto na namin siyang iwan dito. Charot! Sa wakas, nakarating na kami sa aming destination. Paggabi na kaya unti-unti nang dumidilim. Sobrang daming kwento ni Kuya Tour Guide na nakadadagdag sa creepy vibes ng place. Di ko nai-spoil sa inyo mga kwento. Much better if ma-experience nyo personally. But the most asked question here is bakit may hanging coffin? The reason daw noon ng mga katutubo is that they hang the dead so that animals like dogs or other creatures won't dig up the dead and eat them.